with another video. Today I'm going to be challenging someone to do a tutorial trade with me. I made this beautiful fedora hat that was on her channel. I love it. I think it turned out beautiful. I'm really proud of the way it turned out. And I really look up to this creator. Her name is One Virtuous Woman, OVW for short. She has this on her channel if anybody wants to try it. It's an easy pattern. I made this with, let me grab it. I left it over there. I made this with the Red Heart with Love. And it is just a medium weight yarn. It's 100% acrylic. This color here is called pewter. And I think this was like an eggshell or something like that. I can't remember. I don't. The label's probably in a different part of my house. So, is it lovely? I love it. I love it. So, check out One Virtuous Woman's channel. And so if you're not subscribed to her, subscribe to her. She's got a lot of wonderful videos, tutorials. She does all kinds of crafts. She doesn't just do crochet. She's a very inspirational person too. She's inspired me so much. She's very close to the Lord, and she does praise and worship lives, which are so much fun because we can go on there and lift up the name of the Lord. And I enjoy them so much, and I encourage you to check out her channel. So, OVW Marcel, I'm challenging you to do any one of my tutorials that you like. I know you're busy, you've got a lot of things on the go constantly, and so I think if you do the belt, it would be easiest. That might be the easiest thing for you and quick. So that's my challenge. Just go check out my tutorial, pick out whatever you feel is easiest for you, and then you can come back and say, here's the tutorial trade challenge that I did with Craving Crochet, and this is my belt, or whatever you choose to do. That way you have more control over it. I'm not going to force you to make a cardigan or anything that's a little bit time consuming. I know you're busy, lady. So anyways, just to recap, I've been doing this with a few channels. I started back a few months ago. I made this beautiful top with that Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla, Crafty Yarn Owl Darla. She has this on her channel if you want to do it. It's a beautiful top. It's easy. She did a great tutorial on it as well. And I did this beautiful poncho with Karina Anna Crochet. This is really nice. I love the colors in it. And I also did one with Lisa's Crochet. We did the top, Darla's top, and she also made my cardigan. And then I did these with DOY Creations. These are her earrings. She's got a great channel. Go check her out as well. She's got a lot of tutorials. She's a lot of fun to watch as well. Yeah. And then, this is not a tutorial trade, but if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe if you like this content. And this subscribe pillow was made by a tutorial that was created by Dora Beth, and her channel is That Yarny Zebra and Stuff. So she has a tutorial on her channel how to make a subscribe pillow. You don't have to make it to say subscribe if you're not a content creator. You can just put your name on it. You can put somebody's name on it. You can put some inspiring words on it. Whatever you like. I didn't crochet anything. These are all just done with a computer and just cut out and glued on, because I wanted to do the challenge and I was running out of time, so that's what I did. Anyways, so that is my challenge video to OVW Marcel, One Virtuous Woman. I will leave her link below. I'll leave everybody's link below of all the channels I mentioned. And I encourage you to subscribe to everyone if you're not already. I love this hat, Marcel. I love it. I love it. I love it. You should try this pattern out, whoever is inspired to make it. It's not hard. Anyways, that is my video for the day. And if anyone wants to do a tutorial trade challenge with me, please reach out to me. I would love to do it. I have a couple more channels that I'm doing tutorial trades with. So eventually I'll be coming out with more of these kind of videos and showing you what we traded with other channels. So if you don't have any tutorials on your channel, but you are a crafty channel and you still want to do a tutorial trade, we can do it. Just send me a pattern, perhaps. Maybe a pattern that you like that you've made, and then we can do it that way. So don't feel like, oh, I don't have any tutorials on my channel, I can't do this. You can. You don't have to use a tutorial. You could just send me a pattern. So whatever you like. If you want to do it, it's a lot of fun. It gives you content on your channel, and it creates a lot of interest because everyone does things a little bit different. They use different yarns. And so, you know, why not? Let's help each other out. And everyone have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And once again, please subscribe. And we will all talk soon. Can't wait to see what you choose to make, Marcel. Okay, everyone, take care. See you later. Bye.